Okay, it's back. Uh, yeah, let me try and explain what I was explaining the other time. Um, where did they had we did something there the other time. Um, okay, we even have five countries set. Oh, we have
Sorry?
one, three, four, five, one, two, three, four, five, six. We have six countries.
Countries.
We have six countries. Okay. So it has added what is doing with this formula. What is doing with this formula is just saying, get me the total sales of all the top five
Products
products, or the no, not top five
in
products,
each.
top five territory. The sales, of course, the product is what they will sell anyway. Yeah. So get me the top five and add the sales for me. That is what is giving us this.
But what we have here now is six countries now, and not. Okay, the top five sales in every
Yeah.
country.
In every country, exactly. That
Mm-hmm.
is what it's doing. But let me say, let's do top five products. But I think I did not name it very well. So
But,
let
but,
me,
but, 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 when you look at the total down, the total down of all is showing is the total in United States. I don't
yes,
understand
yes,
why
yes.
it's like that.
So um let's do it a different way. Calculate total sales. So I will now filter it. I will say all. No, I said filter. I've removed the filter now, just like what we did the other time. Can you still remember the all function that we did? Right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's a table or column name. But I'll put in, we want to get the top five products, not top five products per country. So we are going to filter in the table by country, but in the formula, we are using products, products. So I'll go to the product table, and then I will pick the product name. The product name is the one that's called English product name, right? Then
Mm-hmm.
you close the all function. You have to close the all function.
And close the properly.
So what are you that means you are saying for all you are removing filter. So you are giving me for each of the products, right? For each of the
Mm-hmm.
products, what is the order by expression? Order by expression. You know, in SQL, you say order by total sales, order
Mm.
by this. So the order by expression will now be total sales,
Mm-hmm.
right? What are you doing? Can you see the
Mm.
formula? Any value table, order by
Other by.
total sales, comma. Now, I don't want to because I want to get um, you know, if you have if in a country called Australia, they sold 100 products. That means to be showing Australia 100 places, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I don't want to see the 100 products. I only want to see the top five. So that means it will remove the others. It's only showing me the top five. I don't even understand what I'm.
The top five products.
It's only showing me this top five product sales for each of the country.
Each country. Mm-hmm.
I don't want to see, even though there are 100 products, so I only want to see the five. So
Mm.
how do I do that? I'll now say I want to rank by product name itself. That means I'm ranking by there's so you just say values. I didn't teach you values. Go and learn values. Values,
Okay.
values is if you have, if you specify a column inside a value, it will,
Mm-hmm.
anything that is blank, it will not pick it.
Yes, yes.
So if you have 8 rows and one of the rows is blank, it will only pick 7. It will not pick the
The
one
eighth
that is
one, the
blank.
one that is blank. Mm-hmm.
That is if you specify the column in a table. So I would now say values um, product P, then English product name. So I'll close the bracket for values, right? Then,
Mm-hmm. Include the brackets and calculate.
no, wait. I've not closed the bracket for top N.
Yeah, top N. Mm.
Top N should be closed after total sales.
Mm.
Top N should be closed after total sales. Am I right? I think so. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
It should be right. Top N should be closed after total sales. So I'll close it. Then I'll now close the calculate
Mm.
and now press enter. So if I now what do you put it now? Let me remove the top 5 products. Let me put um product. This is a country now. Remember, we streamline by product name. So this is a country. So I will now put the product name. Where is product? Product, English product name. So imagine Australia. Australia sold a lot of products. Can you see plenty? So by the time I bring that thing in, I hope this is going to work.
Let's see.
It gives me the top 5 in. Can you see? Can you see that Australia is now showing only 5 products?
Yes, yes, in Canada too. Okay.
Don't be deceived by this total, please. Just leave that total alone. So Australia is showing
I'm not
one.
talking about the total.
No, no,
I'm
no.
seeing that
I'm
there's
just
only
saying, telling everybody, please don't be deceived by the
products.
total. Can you see
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5? That's streamline. No,
Yes.
if you remove
In
the top,
every country, you see five.
if you remove the top 5, you can see that Australia sold a lot of products, a
Mm.
lot. Canada, everything for each of the countries. So by the time you now bring the top 5 sales there, you streamline it to only
Only
five.
the top five.
Top five.
Mm.
Perfect. Perfecto.
Mm. But the query is too long.
That's why I showed you. Let me see if ascending will work or descending. Let me see. I don't know if the scatter if it will scatter the formula. I don't know. Let me see. It worked. Can you see that it has been? Can you see that 371, 370, 390, 382, 3? Oh, this one is higher now. Why is this? Anyway, it didn't work. Whatever. But at least we have the top 5 products for each state. Any question from anybody?
No question, sir. No question.
Lizzie, any question? Are you still there?
The,
Me that is talking.
the query is too long. That's all.
Any question? Said it's too long.
Yeah.
Mm, No, just trying to take it all in. It's a lot.
Okay, it's a lot. Ah, sorry. So let me look at the format. He said it's a lot. That's where life is sometimes, but we would overcome it. It's going to be part of your part of your project. So at least you have a place to go and look at it, the video to see. So let me make this. Imagine making this one big. Can you see it? So let me do some formatting and make it looks a bit nice because of our time. Sorry, there's no break today. Sorry, because we we all we all came later, apart from one person. So we are sorry that there's no break today. Where is the things where it gets depending on whatever you want to show, you can do conditional formatting on these top five cells. Can you see? Come here. Can you see conditional formatting? Conditional formatting, data bars,
Yes.
data bars. So I can say imagine if they are negative. So for positive bar, left to right, I'll choose blue. Negative bar, let me choose red. But there's no negative, to be honest. If you want to show bar only, that means it will not show, what do you call it now? It will not show can you see? It won't show the figures. It will only show bar only. But I don't want to do that. Remove conditional formatting. Oh, so I remove the conditional formatting. Um,
Hmm. Where did you
so
click again to get that conditional format?
these are here. About this thing
Okay.
is a lot,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't know if I can do it fast, but you guys would ask questions. So I don't want to rush it. Lowest value. You can choose if the lowest value, you can say custom, highest value. You can say custom, you can say between so value and so. If you enter the value, so anything you put there, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. If I say minimum, if I say anything below minimum is 30 million, right? That means the minimum is 30 million, the maximum is 70 million, 1.2. Just custom means you are the one that is setting the standard yourself. So if it's, for example, if it's on negative, you can say positive bar, make it blue. Negative bar, make it red. That is conditional formatting. We've done it something like that in we've done something like that in what do you call it? In because specify custom. I don't make custom. I'm just leave it as lowest value, highest value. But do I need this? I don't know. I'm just showing you how the higher the number, the bigger or the longer the bars, right? English product name. I don't like that in the name. I want to change it to product. For the clip, product name. Yeah. I don't like CSOH country. It's too long. Country. Top five sales. Do you understand? I'm changing the names. Do you get the gist? Hello.
Yeah.
And I don't I'll show you, I'm showing you conditional formatting, but I don't like this blue color. So let me just remove the conditional formatting, please. Or you can show value as no calculation will. No, you can do it. Let me remove the conditional formatting. Remove all, please. I don't want. So if you want to see if there's any relationship between quantity sold and price or whatever, so let me quickly do something sharp, sharp. If you don't understand, please let me know. Customer. This thing that we did was top five products in terms of sale. It could be top five customer. Did
Yes.
you understand? It could be
Mm-hmm.
top five customer. It could be top
Mm-hmm.
five product profits. It could be top
Our
five
top five countries.
country or region, whatever. Do you understand it is now? So
Yes.
let me say six territory country. There's one that shows um geography. Okay, there's one that shows code, country region code, English country region name, postal
What
code.
is their postal code?
Is postal code? Should we use postal code or region code? Wow. See that big wow.
But it's saying postal code. How can one see then code there?
Huh? If you now put
There should be there
sales,
should be code there.
there should be what?
Code.
Code
Because
that
it's saying postal code. What
the
in this
code.
map, one should be seeing the code.
No, if you can't say the code, the code is just all up now. Okay, it's showing you the code is all up. The code is representing, immediately I click postal code, by default, it
Mm,
puts out a map. So probably I understand what that code stands for and which country that code um belongs to, stuff like that.
mm.
So I've clicked it, total sales too, so that you will see the postal. Okay, that code will not show us the country, but let me see, let me now put country region code. Let me remove the postal code first. Okay, location, country, region code, legend. I don't want code. I want the name. Anyway, because of our time, can I put total sales bomb size? Can I put country region code to we didn't accept it there. Anyway,
You can remove the postal code now.
let me see if the postal code will go. Okay, it worked. US. Okay. How do we arrange it? That is where the challenges come sometimes. So whatever you want to show, let me just how should we arrange it? The arrangement alone could take you 1 hour just to get, not that what you are doing is wrong, but you want to be satisfied with something you get. So let me do let me there's one thing we called okay. We have age category, right? So let's say age category by sales. Do, does that make sense?
Yes.
Let's say age category. Where is age category? Age category. Where's age category? Where's age category? Where's age category? Where's
Do
it?
we have actually it's check customer whether it should be there?
Yeah, it's in customer. Thank you. It's in customer. Age category. Let's say profit. Or let me do sales because we have been using sales just since anyway. Let's just do sales. Financial gets to profit when you're doing yours. Yeah. Biggie, 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 biggie. So let me now put male and female. Where is gender? Okay, education. Education would be too much to put as legend. If let me see. Okay, it's not bad. Sometimes they show the total sales for each of the age category
The age category,
in terms of their the school they went to.
educational qualification.
Exactly. That's the word. The 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 yeah. Maybe they went to high school or graduate high school or
Mm-hmm.
whatever,
Mm.
whatever, all those kind of things. So let me do one more thing. Um, Gender. Let me do a donut chart. I'm just trying to make up something sharp, sharp. Um, how do we arrange this thing?
Bring it down, no?
Let me think. No, it doesn't want to come down. Come. Anyway, you can put a text box, right? If you say aspect, depending on what you are doing, but don't just clog your
The dashboard.
yeah. Thi- This is called report. Or people most times people call this is a report. The dashboard is
Mm-hmm.
when you're trying to publish and there's a place that it shows a dashboard, something like that. But people just call it names that they want anyway. But this is actually called a report. Um,
Mm. Yeah, because you are being given an assignment and this is what you have, so it should
exactly.
actually be a report.
So um,
But the only thing is that there's so much input.
as I sometimes
You remember this and you forget this.
sometimes it's just only two charts that you have, or three, or even four. So it depends on whatever you are
I'm,
doing.
I'm talking about like this thing we did now. There's so many inputs of um, One might remember one, and you don't know which one to connect, whether
when you
this one
are
is connected to this or what. But
when you
I
are
thank God it's a video. One watch it again
when you are used to it with
and be able
it's
to.
not some people have been working with it for 10 years. That is what their life has been on. So, like I said, be able to communicate whatever you are doing. So let's do formatting, bit of formatting, right? Call out value. I'm doing this on sharp sharp. Din, let's list that Din 45. Um, color is black. Text wrap is on. Category label is on. Um, if you want to make the color, the font color something else, but let's leave it as black. Black is okay.
Mhm.
Black is
Is
okay.
this 45? This 45, is it the font size?
Yeah.
Go back to the.
Yeah, it's font size. I'm just careful of our time. It's font size 45.
Okay, okay. I want to know.
So you can
Okay,
make it, let's make it to, let's
35.
make it to 35.
Mm-hmm.
Let's make it to 35. The font size is 35 for DNI. Or should we use Seju E? Let's use Seju E, UE. What do you call it? Then labeling category. If you choose the label to be off, that means it will not show the total sales again. But
Okay.
the labeling is on now. Seju E. That one is font size, not labeling. So let's leave label as 10. That one is font size of the value, not the label. So let's just leave it like that. General properties. Let me adjust the
Yeah, because that time you clicked on, I don't know what you clicked. You see the font of these numbers, they're not the same.
yeah. Which number? The one for profit, the one for country sold.
Yeah, the one for yes.
Yeah, we just started formatting that. We just started doing one
No,
already.
no, no problem.
Abby,
Yeah.
yeah, we just started, so don't worry. That is, we don't need the effect, the header icon or text. No, we're not interested. Title is of effect. If you want to change the background color, you can change background color. Let's say, let me change something. Let me see the way it's going to look like. Whoops, white. Transparency, visual border, shadow, header, two tips, two tips. We know what two tips is anyway, so I want to bring, where is it? I want to bring title. Title is on. Let me change the title. Let me on the title first. Text in the title. Let me say total sales. I want to do something to make it. Heading is 3. Then let me do Sergio U. I like Sergio. No, sorry. Time has gone. There's also Sergio U. Yeah. Let me make it 12. Let me make it 12. Test color is fine. Okay, let me make test color. Okay, let me choose the background to be red. Which kind of red do I want? Not red really per se. Uh, where is that red? No feel, no feel. Um, let me choose this one. I don't like the color I'm seeing, but let me just manage this one like that. And manage this one like that.
Mm,
Let me bring it to the center. And bring it to the center. So let me change it to white, text color white, so that it will appear very well white.
mhm.
Fantastic. Let's trap is on. So let me go back to where it says labeling, and I'll put off the labeling category label. of. Yeah. So I want it like that. So because I think this is fair enough, right? If this is like this, um, so let me say format
Okay.
painter, then what's wrong with this one now? I thought it should bring out the whatever there. Oh, I'll not be formatting again. You know what?
Mm-mm.
You know what? There's
What?
there's this zone is profitable to direct. Um, Control C, Control V, Control V.
Hey, why did you remove the other one?
There's no time to start formatting anything again. No time.
Okay.
I'd love to do plenty formatting, but I still want to show you by 5 minutes to 9. I want to show you something before, of course, by the time you are doing your formatting, it will make sense more. Um, so total sales, I'm changing to that one from total sales to profit. Profit. So I'll just change the name. I'll just change the name from the formatting pane. I think we did it.
Mhm.
Title is profit, not total sales. Do you remember? Profit. Yep. Then
Mhm.
this one was quantity sold. So I moved to the total sales. I put the quantity sold, right? So it's not quantity sold, not total sales. So let me go to the formatting. Let me go to general. Let me go to title. Let me go to just play with these things. Yeah. Like I said, it can take 3 hours, 4 hours. Quantity. There are so many things. Fine, you can, if you know how to use PowerPoint, you can design a background in PowerPoint and import it here. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
So this one, I don't like the total sales by year. Supermarket. Let me see if I can format painter, if it will work. I think it worked a bit because of our time.
Mm.
That was, I don't like seeing this x-axis total sales, x-axis title of y-axis title of. Nina, are you there? Title of, yeah, uh, format painter. It looks like there's only that is um
Only me that is still here.
that, that, that,
It
that
looks somehow boring.
is boring. Okay.
It looks somehow, when you are the only one
That's me.
listening,
That's me.
asking.
that's the way formatting is, to be honest with you. I'm just let me be honest with you, that's the way formatting is.
Mhm.
Y-axis. I think there is time I say do it the way I'm doing it, but man, it will take forever. Uh, the legend. I want to bring the legend to the side. I don't want top left. I want bottom, bottom, uh, is it bottom right? No, not bottom right. Center.
What do you want to do?
I want to take the legend away from there. Top right is not working. I want it I want to take it to the side. The legend.
Okay. No,
Mm,
click legend again. I think right click, on legend. Uh-huh. Should be
top left, center right, top bottom left. Okay,
maybe still down.
you think so?
Is it all?
Because there's nothing there again.
Is it?
I wanted it to be by the right. It's not the
Yes, I understand.
right. Uh, I don't want grid lines either. Grid lines off. Um, Formatting alone, it's you can see that we spent how many and we have just started. We've not I won't finish formatting. I'll leave you guys to it to enjoy yourself. Data labels, you can bring data labels on so that you see it. If you want
So,
it,
sometimes they cluster
yeah, a cluster,
the
depending on
the
whatever you are
graph.
doing, would
Yeah, I know. But sometimes it's also easy if you want to
mhm, mhm,
present your work. It's easy for you to see what is there and then
yeah,
also the people that you're presenting to.
exactly. That is the benefit of
But if there's no side, that's it. On this ledger, there's no side. It's only up or down, top
exactly.
or bottom.
I don't like top or bottom, but I think that's what we're going to use. I would have loved if we have a slicer. There's no slicer here.
Yeah.
Please, when you're doing your own, please,
Even if you have the slicer.
in the be a slicer. Because of our time, I
Yeah,
want
but it's part of the
then you can put a,
there's no space now. Where will you put the slicer?
no, I'm saying I can remove one of the visual, so it's not necessarily I show everything. Do you get
Yeah.
sales
I
performance?
hope that the project will not be like this SQL that one question will have more than six queries.
It's good. If it's like that, it's good.
Abby?
I I'm pressing two things now at the same time. So you could even have images.
Like, what kind of images?
Images like you want to show it, depending on whatever you are doing, you can bring an image that represents sales or that represent
Why can't you this says performance? Why can't you make it in the center?
yeah, that's the formatting I'm doing. Um,
Hmm. And then bold.
you're going to do that one yourself. But there's
Just
not.
click it now.
I mean, I'm just like the yeah. I'm just trying to explain stuff to us. This, what we are doing alone can take us a whole class to do 3 hours non-stop.
Yeah, I know.
You can have your, if there is space, you can remove one whatever and put a slicer, do anything, anyhow you want to show it, but make it simple. And you can put the logo of, you can even put a line here. Let me arrange this thing. Last thing I want to show, let me arrange this thing. Let me make it align vertically, distribute vertically. But it's not what I want to show, to be honest. But so this thing, the way you arrange them, it matters a lot. It matters a lot. You don't just, but I can't show all of that, to be honest, because of that time. It matters a lot. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? You don't just, you don't just, your font must be the same, everything must be the same, you know.
Mhm.
The project should be ready this week, to be honest, but I'll just, um, this week it will be ready. I don't, let me remove grid lines from this format. Grid lines off, vertical off. It's taking signal, but we still have the table. So because of our time, you can even put a line here, a straight line to differentiate the bottom one from the top one. Stuff like that. Um, let's have marital status as slicer. Please, let's have one slicer. I don't know where to put it, to be honest, but let me just slot it somewhere. Let me see format painter, format marital status. But at least we have something to slice our to slice our visual. It's not correct the way it should be, but just don't um male, married, single, right? Top five, top fresh. I don't like saying, let me do one more format. Let me remove this total. I don't like saying total, to be honest. Total off. Yeah. So many things you can do. So lastly, assuming you have, this is page 2, this is page 1 of my own. Let me save everything I've done so that I will not, let me save it. Nena, are you there? This has disappeared.
Yes.
So you're still trying to take everything in. Okay. So this is page 2. Assuming you want to move to page 1, page navigation, you want to move to page 1 without you looking on page 1 like this. Assuming you have too many pages, right? And you want to move from page 2 to page 1 or page 1 to page 2. So let's say insert, shape. Let's say back or front, whichever, whatever. Let me say back. So this is the shape, back, right? Right? So if you select that shape, Go to the shape style, action. What do you want to do? Do you want to go back or bookmark or put it? Let's say you want to put the anytime they click on that sign, they should go to google.com, or they should go to visit, or they should go to a site of that particular organization that you are working with, or you are working for, or you wanted to be able to drill through, or to apply all slicers if there's a slicer, right? If I've clicked mail, sorry, married, and it has filtered everything, right? I want to reset it back to the normal. That is when you choose apply all slicers or clear all slicers. That means there is a slicer already on that page that has been do you understand? Assuming you have choosing married now, it will affect the whole thing. So instead of you looking for where to reset, when you click on this thing, it will reset. That's when you click clear all slicer. But I want to do page navigation. So I do page navigation. So if I click on it, where do I want to navigate to? To page one. So you can also format it. So if you, can you see, what do you see? Control plus click. Can you see that? So hold your control key down, click it to go to page one. Hello.
Oh,
Yeah. Hi.
Get that? Please talk. Did you guys get that?
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do will be done where you have the action.
mm-hmm.
Action. Type of action. Page navigation means move from one page to another. Bookmark means
That's nice.
if you do bookmark, what do you want to bookmark? That means you have to look for a website, whatever, to put out. I'm not bookmarking anything. If you want to clear all slicers, clear all slicers. Now, if I yeah, sorry, if I should choose, can I say that slicers has been applied? If I want to clear all, because I've choose clear all slicers there, I'll hold control button down and see this. It clears the slicer. Everything is, you understand? But what I want to do, not clear all slicer. It is what did I do, Seth? It is page navigation. What did I do before? Sorry, I was selecting, I was wondering, so I want to do page navigation button. So the type is page navigation. So it's done. So that I've selected the page I want to go to. So any page you select to go there. So if I hold the control button and I click to go to page one. Any question? That's the end of the class.
That's interesting. Hmm.
He said that's interesting. You're funny.
Mm.
Any question? It's when you start working, you get to know a lot.
That is it. Putting so much input in without practicalizing it, it looks so clustered. But
That's
I
just
believe
some training centers
when
will
one
not
start
even,
practicalizing it.
yeah, will not even go as far as this. They just teach you some basic things because yeah, and it is not because it's a lot.
Mm.
I've not finished formatting at all.
Really? What should one do
I
again?
will, it depends on whatever you want, the way you want it to look. You can change it
Mm, mm.
to this whole background view, whichever way you want it to look like. But me, I don't want,
Okay. Okay.
don't want any. You can change the view if you want it, whichever way you want it to look like. You can
Mm.
You can do whatever you want it to look like, whatever change
Oh,
you
wow.
go, go to
What the background and everything. Mm.
go to PowerPoint design something you want it to look like, whichever way you want it to look. You can so many things, so many things.
Mm. You
Any
thought about going
question?
to PowerPoint.
Yeah, PowerPoint, that PowerPoint done can make you a. Can you please stop recording, please?